Understanding your product's position in the market and how it can stand out based on value versus price is often a difficult thing to do for business owners and marketers alike. But now with the power of AI and Hey Levi, it's actually easier to do than trying to start from scratch. So let's dive in and let me show you how to create a product positioning strategy so that all of your sales and marketing messaging resonates with your target audience in a matter of minutes. Once you're in products and services here, I'm going to go ahead and add a product. I'm going to name this. So let's pretend that we own Nespresso. This is just for example purposes alone. I have no affiliation with Nespresso at all, but we're going to use Nespresso coffee pods as an example. Now, a quick description for Nespresso coffee pods could be boutique style coffee pods for home or office. We're going to leave this at English. Now, it is a product versus a service, but I can change that here if I need to. Some competitive alternatives might be, let's say, Keurig and even Starbucks, because they do provide at-home coffee beans and coffee powder. Now, let's say our target audience could be men and women in their 30s to 60s who appreciate a quality coffee experience. I'm going to go ahead and generate my personas. So what the AI is doing here is it is taking my short description of my target audience and it's segmenting it into 3 parts and creating customer personas or customer avatars for each of those target market segments. Once it's done here, now I can actually see the 3 personas that it created. There's a description here. Now, these customer avatars are very, very detailed, not like your typical customer avatars, but these go into demographics and pain points, which are very common across customer avatar cards. But the ones in the app also go into things like their core motivators, their decision-making drivers, their inner dialogue, and really what drives them to take action so that you as a business know how to engage with this type of audience. Go ahead and make any edits or changes that you'd like to at this stage. Once you're done, you can go ahead and either enter in your features and benefits for this product manually if you don't have a sales page for it yet. If you have something out there already, you can simply have the AI scrape it and show you what it can find in terms of the features and benefits of your product. Once it's scraped the pain points, features, and benefits, now you can move on to generating your product positioning for your target market. The goal really here is to make sure that you are positioning your product in a way that helps it stand out in your market and against your competitors based on the value you provide and not so much on price alone. If you want to make any changes to what the AI has produced, you can simply select any text and you can click on this little box that appears and it'll give you a few pre-filled options to get started with, or you can just type out a command like rewrite this without the word X, whatever it is that you want to remove from the text. In this case, if I just say improve and rewrite this, I can continue typing here to tell it exactly what I want it to do with this and how I want it to improve it, or I can simply type this in and hit enter. And it'll just rewrite that part of text that I selected. Now, this is going to give you everything from your product attributes, which are the unique things about your product that help it stand out in the market, how this translates into value propositions for your product, what some attention-grabbing headlines could be, and how each of these value props also apply to each of your customer avatars. So what value are they going to see in your product based on their needs and their wants? It'll show you exactly which market segments are going to care about the value propositions that your product offers and why they care about it, so you can not just convert them into paying customers for your business, but also retain them and keep them as sticky customers for a long time to come. So apart from your positioning and messaging strategy, the AI will also give you elevator pitches for each of your target market segments and a product brief that is your source of truth for your team for everything to do with this product, and a sales brief or a sales strategy for your sales team to implement when they get on sales calls or have sales conversations with your prospects. Once you're done, go ahead and save this here. It will get saved to your account, and now you can pull in the source of truth for your product at any time and pull it into any of the content that you want to create through the app. I can also come in here and edit anything I'd like to in this product whenever needed, or I can look at my customer avatars by selecting an audience here. It's going to show me 3 of my customer avatars. I can expand these to see what the details are for each one of them. Once I'm done making any edits, I just want to make sure to update it here. And once I do that, it'll be saved in the app for me to use in any of the other parts of the app. If you have any questions at all, or if there's anything that you would like to see apart from what we just showed in this video, drop a comment, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to create more videos like this for you. Enjoy!